Welcome to my channel Health and Beauty. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying a good health. Today we'll talk about fat soluble vitamins. There are different kind of fat soluble vitamin. First we'll talk about the vitamin A nutrient that the body needs in small amounts to function and stay healthy. Vitamin A helps in vision, bone growth, reproduction, growth of epithelium, cells that line the internal and external surfaces of the body, and fighting infections. It is fat soluble, can dissolve in fats and oils. It is also known as retinal because it produces the pigments in the retina of the eye. Vitamin A promotes good eyesight, especially in low light. It also has a role in healthy pregnancy and breastfeeding. Retinal, one of the most active, usable forms found in animals and plant sources. Bone growth, reproduction, cell division and differentiation. Healthy skin, regulate immune system. Animal sources. Now we'll talk about the animal sources which provide vitamin A. Eggs, meat, cheese, milk, liver, kidney, cod, halibut fish oil. Plant sources. Now we'll talk about the plant sources which provide vitamin A. Carrots, sweet potatoes, cantaloupe, pink grapefruit, apricots, broccoli, spinach and pumpkin. The requirements for the children, men and women are mentioned. 200 to 3500 IU for men, 5000 IU for women, 4000 IU. If you have the deficiency of vitamin A, you can have some problems which are also defined. Night blindness, decreased resistance to infections, extremely dry skin and hair or nails. Now we'll talk about hypervitaminosis A. Hypervitaminosis A leads to toxic symptoms: dry and itchy skin, headaches and fatigue, hair loss, liver damage, blurred vision, loss of appetite, skin coloration. Now another vitamin which is also fat soluble vitamin, and that is vitamin E. Vitamin E is fat soluble, can dissolve in fats and oils, and is found in seeds, nuts, leafy green vegetables and vegetable oils. Vitamin E boosts the immune system and helps keep blood clots from forming. Vitamin E is a fat soluble vitamin with several forms, but alpha tocopherol is the only one used by the human body. Its main role is to act as an antioxidant, scavenging loose electrons, so-called free radicals that can damage cells. Now we'll talk about the functions of vitamin E. It is an antioxidant. It keeps the immune system strong against viruses and bacteria. It helps form red blood cells and widen blood vessels to keep blood from clotting inside them. It helps the body use vitamin K. Cells also use vitamin E to interact with each other. It protects cells, membranes and other fat soluble parts of the body from oxidation. It may reduce the risk of heart disease, and it may also discourage development of some types of cancer. This vitamin also promotes normal growth and development, acts as anti-blood clotting agent, plays some role in the body's ability to process glucose, also been known to aid the process of wound healing. Now we'll talk about the sources of this vitamin. Vegetable oils, corn, cottonseed and peanut oil. Nuts and seeds, which includes almonds, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, walnuts and margarine. Whole grains, whole wheat flour, wheat germ. Vegetables and fruits. Spinach, lettuce, onions, blackberries, apples and pears. Now there is a daily recommended dose allowed for the children and males and females. It's also 3 to 4 milligram per day. 1 to 7 years 6 to 7 milligram. 11 to 18 years 8 milligram. Now we'll talk about males. 18 plus 10 milligram per day. And for females 18 plus, they should contain 8 milligram. And pregnant women should contain this vitamin 12 milligram per day. And lactating mothers also have to take this vitamin 11 mg per day. Now we'll talk about vitamin E deficiency. If you will have vitamin E deficiency in your body, you can have several problems. Severe vitamin E deficiencies are rare. Lack of vitality, lethargy, apathy, inability to concentrate, muscle weakness, vitamin E toxicity is rare. Now we'll talk about the vitamin D, which is also a fat soluble vitamin. Vitamin D is both a nutrient we eat and a hormone our bodies make. Vitamin D can reduce cancer cell growth, help control infections and reduce inflammation. Vitamin D helps the body use calcium and phosphorus to make strong bones and teeth. It is fat soluble and is found in fatty fish, egg yolks, and dairy products. Skin exposed to sunshine can also make vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. It also plays many other important roles in the body, including regulating inflammation and immune functions. Types of vitamin D. There are two forms of vitamin D dietary supplements, vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. If you purchase vitamin D supplements, you may see two different forms, vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. Vitamin D2 is made from plants and is found in fortified foods and some supplements. Vitamin D3 is naturally produced in the human body and is found in animal foods. Now we'll talk about the vitamin D functions. It helps in muscle contraction, supports immune system, help nerves carry messages between the brain and the body, keep our bones and teeth strong. Now we'll talk about the sources which provide vitamin D. It includes cod liver oil, salmon fish, swordfish, tuna fish, orange juice fortified with vitamin D, dairy and plant milks fortified with vitamin D, sardines, beef liver. Signs of vitamin D deficiency. If you will have vitamin D deficiency in your body, you can have these problems. Aching muscles. Aching muscles can be a sign of vitamin D deficiency because this nutrient is essential for keeping your muscles healthy. Painful bones, fatigue, reduced endurance, low moods, problems sleeping well, sweaty head, losing hair. Now we'll talk about vitamin K. Vitamin K is a fat soluble vitamin that comes in two forms. The main type is called phytoquinone, found in green leafy vegetables like collard greens, kale and spinach. The other type, menaquinose, are found in some animal foods and fermented foods. Menaquinones can also be produced by bacteria in the human body. Vitamin K helps to make various proteins that are needed for blood clotting and the building of bones. Prothrombin is a vitamin K dependent protein directly involved with blood clotting. Osteocalcin is another protein that requires vitamin K to produce healthy bone tissue. Vitamin K is found throughout the body, including the liver, brain, heart, pancreas, and bone. It is broken down very quickly and excreted in urine or stool. Because of this, it rarely reaches toxic levels in the body even with high intakes, as may sometimes occur with other fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin K is an essential vitamin needed by the body for blood clotting, bones building, and other important processes. It's found in leafy green vegetables, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. The name vitamin K comes from the German word coagulations vitamin. Now we'll talk about the food sources which provide vitamin K. Phytoquinone. Green leafy vegetables including collard and turnip greens, kale, spinach, broccoli, cabbage, lettuce. Soybean and canola oil, etc. Manaquinones. Natto, fermented soya beans, smaller amounts in meat, cheese, eggs. If you will have deficiency of vitamin K, you can have few problems. Vitamin K deficiency in adults is rare but may occur in people taking medications that block vitamin K metabolism such as antibiotics, or in those with conditions that cause malabsorption of food and nutrients. A deficiency is also possible in newborn infants because vitamin K does not cross the placenta and breast milk contains a low amount. The limited amount of blood clotting proteins at birth increases the risk of bleeding in infants if they are not given vitamin K supplements. The following are the most common signs of a deficiency. The body is not able to store as much vitamin K as it does vitamin A or D. This means a person needs a regular intake of vitamin K and there is a higher chance of a deficiency. Vitamin K deficiency may result in excess bleeding, lower bone density in the long term. I hope viewers, it will be helpful information for you to understand about fat soluble vitamins. Do like my video and thank you so much for watching my video. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, you can also subscribe my channel for more information about health and beauty. As I always say that stay healthy and stay beautiful. Meet you till the next video. Till then, you take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.